and welcome back to another riveting video with my ugly mug. Today we have been lent a BMW M2 competition, which is this. It's finished in Hockenheim silver, Hockenheim white? Silver. Hockenheim silver, I thought so. So we'll take you around the car, usual kind of stuff, and then we'll do some driving shots and show you what it sounds like. This the owner's telling me he has lowered it slightly on eye-back springs and it has got a Resonator delete, but because it's still got the PPF, which is the petrol particular filter, it is still a little bit quieter compared to like the older M2s, for example. But this has got the M4 engine, so that means 410 horsepower and 550 newton meters of torque. So yeah, let's just get you around to show you around it, and then we'll show you some driving. Okay, so first off we're going to talk about the engine. So this M2 competition has the BMW M4 engine, which, like I say, was 410 horsepower and 550 newton meters of torque. Now the difference between the competition and the standard M2 is the standard M2 has the M235i engine, which is an inline 6 twin scroll turbo, but it's just that tuned up a bit. So with this one, the engine is actually slightly lighter and puts out more power with slightly bigger turbos, I believe. Apart from the differences of the engine, you've got obviously the bodywork. I'm going to close this very gently because the owner is sat over there. I don't want to. I nearly did it. There we go. So yeah, you've got obviously different bumper. You've got the upgraded wheels, which are 19-inch, which are smaller. Might be bigger on the rear. You've got the different wing mirrors. On the interior, you've got the different style, more bucket seats, I guess. The owner has actually also put an Alcantara steering wheel on here, which is very nice. Quite envious of that. And this is in the manual, which is nice to see. Nice to see a proper manual car rather than the 7-speed DCTs. Round to the back, parked under trees, which is probably a bad idea. But hey ho, round the back we've got the carbon fibre lip, which the owner has put on as well. Obviously the M2 competition badges. The owner has also put on a very nice carbon fibre rear diffuser, and that is just the stock exhaust, like I said. But he has done a, I think, have you done a res delete? Res delete, yeah. Thanks. Yeah, so he's done a res delete, but it's still not as loud as you think it would be. I'll show you that in a second though. In terms of boot space, I don't know what it's actually. Yeah, that's alright to look in. You can look in there. You could probably fit 2 bodies in there. Probably going to get copyright or some sort of infliction on YouTube saying that, but you could fit easily a weekend away, if not a holiday. But yeah, we'll start it up and show you what it sounds like. Okay, so I'm presuming that you've all sort of like seen an M2 competition before, so I'm going to stop blabbering on now. I'm going to stick a GoPro in the driver's window and then show you some driving shots. You should be able to hear what it sounds like as well. Right, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, we all love an M2, and hopefully you do as well. If you did like this video, hit that subscribe and like button down below. There's always a question in the comments from me as well, so feel free to answer that. Right, I'll see you in the next video.